guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you could join us today. I'm going to share some new stamps from different companies here that just landed in the shop. We have limited quantities on some of these, so I'm going to share what's left. I have a new Free with 60. It's this cute stamp from Scrapping for Less. It'll pop into your cart once your order qualifies. It's called Sentiment of the Heart. We've got some great sentiments. Happy Valentine's Day, crafted with love by, and that's always a nice sentiment to have to stamp behind your card. You could write your name, and then we've got a to and a from, a true friend, you plus me equals heart. There's a nice banner on a heart and another little heart that says love on the side of it. And then this pretty flourish with little hearts entwined in there. So that's while supplies last. If you missed my previous video, we are doing a design team call, so check that out. The details are on my blog. We have new faces on the design team, so head on over to the blog to meet the new design team members. We have all their links and everybody's social media on there, so you can click on over and give them a follow. We have some very talented ladies, and I'm so happy they could join us on our design team. So let's start with the CC Designs. We've got this huge stamp set here with full-size characters, and it's all Easter here. And this one is called the Easter Sugars. This is Easter Critters. We got some cute little critters dressed up in Easter bunny outfits. And then the sentiments hopping by to say hi, Easter wishes for my little bunny. There's no bunny like you. And then a coordinating die. This one here is called Easter Twilla. She's got her little Easter egg on her, and she's all dressed up for Easter. You crack me up, hanging with my peeps. You're excellent, and one cute chick. This one's called Easter Egg Hunt. I love how these little bunnies are drawn. Aren't they cute? Look at, they're so cute. We've got Easter Wishes, Bunny Kisses, and Fairy Tale Wishes. And then there is a die for this one. This is Easter Kids. Super cute. Love the smile on that girl. They're all ready for Easter. We've got For a Special Sun Bunny, Hanging with My Peeps, You're Extra Special, Cottontail Cutie, and Happy Easter. Here's another cutie. This one here, we've got a bunch of bunnies, and it's called Bitty Bunnies. Look at this little bunny's butt popping out. So cute, popping out of a little teacup, hanging out on the fence. And there's some grass, a little butterfly, a little birdhouse. Super cute. So for these distress inks, so we have an oxide and the regular distress ink, and we have a very limited quantities on this. I think I have one oxide left and a few of the distress color, and it's called Kitsch Flamingo. It's a really pretty color. So we've got from Whimsy this really pretty St. Patrick's Day slimline paper pad. Really, 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 really pretty. Lucky Ducky stamp set. Little cute little duck upside down. One popping out of the pail. And then some flowers with like buttons on them. You quack me up. Quacky birthday, hope your day is just ducky. I grabbed some slimline dies from Whimsy. This is one of my favorites. This is a slimline card builder die. I do own this myself, so you'll see me doing cards with this one. I love it because you can cut the inside out and use the little circles with or without the frame here. So I like that. This one's brand new. This one is the Slimline Meadow die set. Isn't that cute? So we've got a little frame up here, stitching all the way around, your little hills here, so you can tuck little things in. And then we've got some bushes and clouds, bunny rabbits, little flowers, more clouds. These are actually trees, the tree shrubbery, but they look like clouds. You can use them for clouds too. And then this is another one of my favorites. This is the Marquee Slimline die. Just love the shape of that. This is brand new. This is the Slimline Envelope Edger die set. So nice and long, perfect for the slimline cards. Make pretty edges on your cards. Some new things from Waffle Flower, and this is from Studio Light. I did grab this because I thought the envelope was really pretty with these little edges like that. And then there's little tags that you can decorate the front of it. And I thought this would be really pretty to cut out with pattern paper. So that is really cute. And then this stencil by Hero Art is the Waves and Sun, I believe it's called. Or it's called the Sea and Sky stencil. So really nice stencil. We have from Waffle Flower, this is the Hopeful Girl. So I love the bunny and the precious little girl praying, the flowers. We've got sentiments, hold on to hope, praying for strength, keep the faith, sending prayers. And we've got caring hands, hands that mean different things here. So we've got the sentiment that goes with this. So we've got pray, hope, love, best of luck, you got this, take care my friend, sending love and prayers, fingers crossed for you, you are in my prayers. So these go perfect with these hands. So pair these together and you're gonna, you won't have to think about how to create the card. So we've got crocus, beautiful floral, potted floral here. And then we've got a single one, thank you, hello, and happy spring. I really like the font on those. Cute. And then we've got oversized hope. So you get your large hope and then all the little sentiments that you can pair up right underneath that. There is always hope. All your dreams come true. You find peace and comfort. This cheers you up. You have a great day. So it's like hope you have a great day. Hope you feel better. When things fall apart, hold on to hope. Never lose hope. Hope and encouragement. Your day is sweet. Sending prayers of hope. You are doing well. So hope you are doing well. Hope and love, peace, hope. So really nice set. Oh, and I do have one left of this blender brush for your Zig Clean Color Rail Brush pens. So this is like a clear, so instead of using a water brush, you can use this blender brush. So I picked up one for myself because I thought it was, I always wanted one. I always saw people using it and I wanted to try it out. So I do have one left. I will have the links down below, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.